In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive files without deleting PC copies. We'll walk through this carefully so your important files stay safe on your computer while the cloud copy gets removed. Let's begin by opening OneDrive in File Explorer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up the search bar. Now type the words File Explorer into the search field. Once you see File Explorer appear in the results, press Enter to launch it. When File Explorer opens, look at the left navigation pane on the side of the window. Find and click on OneDrive, or it may be labeled OneDrive-Personal depending on your setup. After clicking it, you'll see a sample file list inside. In my case, the folder we'll be working with is called Cloud Cleanup Test, but yours may have a different name. Next, we're going to create a local-only folder on your PC where the safety copies will live. Click on the address bar at the very top of File Explorer to highlight it. Now type the root of your local drive, which is C:// and press Enter to navigate there. Once you're inside the C drive, press Ctrl+Shift+N together on your keyboard. This shortcut creates a brand new folder. Type the name for this local safety folder. I'm naming mine OneDrive PC Copies, so go ahead and type that name in now. After typing, press Enter to confirm the folder name. Then double-click the new folder in the main file list to open it. In my case, that's the folder called OneDrive PC Copies. Now let's copy the OneDrive folder into this local PC folder. Go back to the left navigation pane and click on OneDrive or OneDrive-Personal. In the main file list, click the folder you want to back up just once to select it. Mine is called Cloud Cleanup Test. Now press Ctrl+C to copy that folder. Click the address bar at the top of File Explorer once again. Type the path to your local safety folder, which is C:/OneDrive PC Copies. Then press Enter to go there. Once you're inside, press Ctrl+V to paste the copied folder. Wait a moment for the paste to complete. Then double-click the copied folder in the main file list to open it. In my example, that's still Cloud Cleanup Test. Take a look inside and confirm both files are visible. You should see cloudcleanupbudget.csv and also cloudcleanupnotes.txt. If they're both there, the copy worked correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's delete the original OneDrive copy. Click OneDrive or OneDrive-Personal in the left navigation pane to return to your cloud storage. In the main file list, click the original folder once to select it. In my case, that's Cloud Cleanup Test. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard. If Windows pops up a confirmation dialog asking whether you really want to delete this folder, click Yes to confirm. Wait a few seconds for the folder to disappear completely from the OneDrive file list. Now let's confirm the PC copies were not deleted. Click the address bar at the top of File Explorer one more time. Type the path to the local copied folder, which is C:/OneDrive PC, copies/Cloud Cleanup Test. Once that path is entered, press Enter to navigate there. Look inside this folder carefully and confirm that both files are still visible. You should see cloudcleanupbudget.csv and cloudcleanupnotes.txt sitting safely in this location. The OneDrive folder no longer shows Cloud Cleanup Test, which means the synced OneDrive copy has been successfully deleted from the cloud. However, the separate local folder at C:/OneDrive PC, copies/Cloud Cleanup Test, still contains the two files, proving that your PC copies were kept exactly where you wanted them. Congratulations! You've now removed your OneDrive files from the cloud while keeping safe local copies on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.